Blaster Advanced Dry Lube with superior lubrication. It's formulated to help reduce friction and wear, protect surfaces, and enhance performance. Use it on saw blades and woodworking tools in your shop or garage to provide superior lubrication. It's also great for use on many other applications in and around the home, like drawers, locks, catches, and window and door tracks. Blaster Dry Lube is safe for use on most plastics. It's ideal for lawn and garden equipment to prevent dirt and debris from sticking. Blaster Advanced Dry Lube provides superior lubrication.